Alright guys, before I start painting, I drill a hole in both feet near where the ankle is, so I've got resin is not going through anywhere. Because I'll give you an example. Here's a character that I was working on, done the mid-tones and highlights, and I pin it so I can hold it. That's all you're doing. If we look at this, we've already got a cork. I just sellotaped them together, got paper clips, drilled a hole like this in the cork and put the paper clip in, so I've got two sticking out like this, and all I'm doing, I'm literally, so with those holes I'm just putting it in like this. That's it. So now I've got something to work for, a base I can spray, and what I'll do, I'll just super glue that. So I'll just use the super glue that in. So that's just a little technique that a lot of painters use just to keep their hands away from the model when they're painting or airbrushing. Okay, so once that's glued, and what we'll do, I'll use the super glue. As you can see, it comes out quite easily. We're going to dab it on, but we're going to spread it everywhere as well. The other side, and just spread it. And then it's just a matter of putting it in and holding it. Okay, so we're gonna take it off the base there and put it in like this, because this sword needs to be on the floor here, so we need this base. So we'll just press this in for now. Just let this set. So as you can see here, we just glued that in. Oops, that went flying. We'll get another one. So what we're doing here is just pinning. This is called like pinning. So we'll just find a couple of, let's do it here again. So we're literally just drilling 2 holes. And you just put a bit of super glue on top of the hole. It grabs it on the way going down. Same thing with the other side. Like so. And you can just level it out like that. Now the tricky thing here is we already drilled the holes. It might make more sense if we just, because it's quite thin, if we just try and level this out. Yeah, what we'll do, we'll just super glue. We'll just super glue directly. So we'll just add a bit of super glue on here. And we'll just super glue it directly. So we'll let that dry, and then we'll move on to using the putty. So we will use this Vallejo putty in the next video, and we'll fill in all the gaps so it all looks seamless. Alright guys, so that's how you assemble the model, and we'll see in the next video where we start to fill in and make it all nice and neat, ready for undercoating and priming. And then we can start the fun part, which is painting, or airbrushing should I say. Okay, I'll see you in the next video.